Drawing a human figure is tough, especially for beginners. Anatomy book is confusing, and online tutorials can be overwhelming and all over the place. So today, I've got a simple 3-step system to help you out. We'll start with a basic frame, then build volume, and then finish with muscle structure. Welcome to the Passive Sketching episode 6, the Human Anatomy Simplification System.
Step 1. The core structure. To draw a convincing human, you need to understand the core framework. But come on, have you seen an anatomy chart? It's crazy complicated. So let's extract the essentials. Take this example. We break the body into 3 main shapes: head, ribcage, and pelvis. Then connect them with a spine line and simple limbs. You've got the base of a gesture, like this and this. It may look complex at first, but if you strip away the noise and just focus on this method, you'll get a better grip on gesture and movement. Of course, this is just a practice tool. Once you internalize it, it will live in your muscle memory. Step 2. Building up volume. Now, we introduce forms. Start replacing those limbs with rectangular blocks. This step makes each part of the body more clear and dimensional. It helps conveying direction, perspective, and mass. A perfect bridge between structure and anatomy. If you've seen that small possible figure I used before, you'll know exactly what I mean. It's great for learning. If it is within your budget, I really recommend picking one up. Step 3. The simplified muscle structure. Let's look at the front view first. The head is still an egg shape, the neck and the shoulders. Use a triangle to connect them. The deltoid is just a triangle too. Cut off one corner and that's it. The ribcage, think of it like a cherry blossom petal. And the chest muscles, 2 triangle shapes, linking up with the arms. For the pelvis, a simple triangle underwear shape works great. Then we connect the ribcage and the abdomen. Skip the tiny details. Use 2 vertical strips for the abs. And now, the torso is down. The upper arm looks like a slightly flattened sausage. The forearms, a squished carrot shape. The thigh is an upside-down trapezoid, layering near the knee. And the lower egg, like a stretched-out radish. Then add the hands and feet. I used orange red to show the joints. Elbows and knees are diamond shapes. The wrist at angles, think of them as cylinder-shaped joints, where the pelvis connects to the thigh. That's a pizza slice. Isn't it much easier this way? And now, let's flick to the back view. The trapezius can be treated as one big diamond shape. Split it down the middle, and you've got the upper back. From the pelvis, draw a point, then another point 1/3 down the center line of the trapezius, and another along the outer edge of the ribcage. Then connect them, and you get the latissimus dorsi. Technically, it attaches to the upper arm, but this shape already gives you the idea. The scapula is also a triangle, sitting between the trapezius and the latissimus. The rest of the back, just treat it as one large area. For the glutes, 2 mirrored kidney bean shapes. Size, same upside-down trapezoids. The outer edge near the knee curves in slightly. And how about the lower leg? Same idea as the front. And there we go. Take a look, everyone. With just a few simple shapes, we've summarized the main muscle groups of the human body quickly and efficiently. You can go more detailed, but honestly, in more drawings, our characters are wearing clothes, right? You don't need to cut out every single muscle. But let me see this. Just knowing these things is enough. This is a way to understand the human body, but looking at just 2 or 3 views won't cover everything. You still need to observe and practice from more angles. So here I want to recommend a model that I personally use, a pose figure designed for artists. If you're still unsure how to simplify and break things down, just study this. It's super helpful. Follow the breakdown logic of this model, and you'll build up your understanding of form and gesture in no time. I highly recommend it. If it fits your budget, get one. You won't regret it.
Big news! I've been working day and night to bring you an epic PSD file. Every step, every body part, labeled and layered for perfection. And yes, I made 2 versions. One is super simple for beginners, and one with more juicy details for pros. Do you want it? It's all on my Patreon page. And plus, I attached a full walkthrough video. Go and check it out. You won't regret it. Okay, so that's our simplification system. It basically serves as a guide. If you truly want to master it, you still need to put in a lot of your own effort. I hope that through this explanation, you'll find it truly helpful. I'm Daryl. Please like, subscribe, share it, and leave your valuable comments. I'll see you next time.